Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. It is 9:20 and 13 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, the retina. So let's hop to it here. The new type of nerve cell discovered in the retina. The newly identified campana cell can play a role in visual signal processing. Date November 1st, 2021. Source, University of Utah Health. The scientists have discovered a new type of nerve cell, or neuron in the retina, in the central nervous system. A complex circuitry of neurons communicate with each other to relay sensory or motor information. So-called interneurons serve as intermediaries in the chain of communication. The discovery marks a notable development for the field as scientists work toward a better understanding of the central nervous system by identifying all classes of neurons and their connections. And based on its morphology, physiology, and genetic properties, this cell doesn't fit into the 5 classes of retinal neurons first identified more than 100 years ago. Researchers propose they might belong to a new retinal neuron class by themselves. The research team named their discovery the campana cell after its shape, which resembles a handbell. Campana cells relay visual signals from both types of light-sensing rod and cone photoreceptors in the retina, but their precise purpose is the subject of ongoing research. The experiment showed campana cells remain activated for an unusually long time, as long as 30 seconds, in response to a 10 millisecond light flash stimulation. In the brain, persistent firing cells are believed to be involved in memory and learning. Since campana cells have a similar behavior, researchers theorize they can play a role in promoting a temporal memory of a recent stimulation. Good day, says Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.